Just got my hair braided. Chicken has flavor, you know, not the one that just around has the sauce. Inside cry, inside in the bone, inside. Someone's bra. You know the conveyor belt where you go and collect your luggage?
But you put my life in danger. I never know you and I will go be over. Never know you and I will go be over. Wherever you did, I know you missing me. Pray to find someone just like me.
Good morning. Well, it's not morning, it's actually afternoon. Let me just tell you what happened yesterday. Remember when I was saying that I was worried that our weight would be too high for our luggages? So we get there now, and I'm telling my dad, let's find an empty stall, an empty weighing bit, so we can weigh our own luggage before we go to the official weigh-in. So we went there. My hand luggage, or like my clothes and stuff, was like 26 kilograms, and it's meant to be 23. And I'm like, what? We had to take stuff from my main suitcase into the small suitcase, blah 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 blah. Now that we get to the official weigh-in and everything to check my luggage in, the big box which we had moved a lot of the stuff into, a lot of the clothes into, she was like, oh no, it looks about right. And I looked at my dad like, she said it looks about right. She actually said, yeah, it looks about right, don't worry about putting it on the scale. God is good. Remember I talked about the humidity hitting you? That humidity hits you as you get off the plane, and it's such an amazing feeling. And my uncle came to pick me up, and the baggage, this is where I took forever. They had taken people's luggages off the little conveyor belt that has your luggage. And I'm like, why did they do that? But they had taken a lot of people's luggages and put them on the side. When I was hearing the speaker, the person was saying, oh, sky priority. I'm not part of any priority anywhere. So I didn't even think that my stuff was there. But I was standing there for like a good 30 minutes. I'm like, I don't even see one of my bags. Like, what the hell? And then I went to the place where they had kept other people's, and I saw it, and I'm like, really? I've been standing here for literally 30 to 45 minutes, and my stuff was just in the corner. And another thing, I had to take a video of this, because if I said it without having evidence, you would not believe me. If I said this without evidence, you would not believe me. So what had happened was, please ask me what I saw on the conveyor belt yesterday. Please ask me. Someone's bra. You know the conveyor belt where you go and collect your luggage? Somebody's brazier. Brazier. The sides are kind of like torn. Like, we all have that bra that we love and we don't want to like leave and stuff. But and number two, someone's hair piece. You know, like a bundle of weave. It was on the conveyor belt. And I was like, wow, what would you do if that was you? Would you pick it up? I don't know what I would do. Anyway, that's what I saw. Welcome to Ghana. We have a cat in the house. I don't do cats. Have you not seen those Nollywood movies where they turn into humans? My friend, hey. Just got my hair braided. Jiggy jiggy. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know where I got it from, but cornrows just so I can wear my wigs. It's really hot, and I probably shouldn't be wearing wigs in this weather. However, I just thought if I had cornrows when I'm about the house, you know, small things, I can just keep my cornrows out, and then when I want to kill, when I want to stop traffic, then I can put my wig on. Let's go. I told you I'm going to be stopping traffic. Outfit of the day. So we longy, shorty, over the shoulder shirt be. I think I'm gonna just go hang out with my auntie from London, like the coolest person in the world, and have some food, hopefully.
Like, don't cut him off.
Yeah. Are you planning to be a millionaire so no one should be able to see your face?
I'm telling you, if I am, I'm coming live and direct at you. Hey. You're so mischievous.
If you want to come to Ghana, contact me. I'll pay your tickets.
She will. She will. Let me give you her number.
No, it's okay. Wait, I'll
let me give you her number.
I'll put it at the end. I'll put the number at the end.
Give her a Glasgow,
so you can come and just see.
Glasgow number. She's 419 lady she is.
I'll pay your tickets. You just love it.
This is Tina.
That car is so cute, don't you think? That'll be like my first car or something. Obviously not. It's okay, auntie. One day. Going to KFC. I've actually not been to KFC in Ghana, so it'll be nice to see if it tastes. Does it taste better or does it?
It's on point.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If you're saying this, then I have to trust your opinion. Yeah?
It's absolutely on point. I was asking, hey, what's KFC? Which one will I have? The K, the F, or the Z? I had 3 in 1.
Okay, so you know what to order, then I'll just go with your.
No, Enoch's not what order, but it's just on point.
What mark have you given it out of 10?
I would actually say 9 out of 10.
Wow, you.
But yeah, that is for the
This is my
KFC in Adenta.
Okay,
Big
just the
shout out
Adenta
to
branch. Shout out to the KFC in Adenta.
Big shout out to the KFC in Adenta. Drive through, big shout out for that.
Drive through.
Up with the modern day. Don't let us down.
They won't. We'll show you the bones at the end. Ghana KFC.
What do you reckon?
We're talking about it. It's the thing. It's the this thing. The chicken has flavor. You know, not the one that just around has the sauce. Inside cry. Inside in the bone. Inside.
Tell me you're not serious.
God is actually good. He created the world in 7 days and
then KFC burger.
on the 8th day they forgot to tell you.
KFC burger.
On the 8th day God created KFC burger.
KFC burger.
Ghana. Edo. Ghana KFC. The Jody.
So make it do your best and use your sense. I show the stress since I put God first. Charlie, it no be race, it no be test. And Jack guide so no one can test. So make it tell them. So we do come, no the fear them. Baba God did from my side, so no shake.
Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na ondo.
Olive is not well though.
Oh,
So vague. You know, in the right in the corner, the one that. Are you actually bothered?
Guys, so just had the KFC. It was, I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. Now I'm just chilling at my house, you know. I would show you around, but it's not done yet, so I don't want to really show you.